All right, y'all, I'm back at home. Let's get into these Jordan 2 Comforts, a Rose in Harlem. I don't actually have a real table in this room. This is just a suitcase with a Nike box on top with the shoe box then on top of that. You can't really see it, but I'm cutting into the box right now. Shout out to my guy Jonathan, who hit on a raffle for these shoes for a retail at Atmos Harlem. All right, getting into the shoe, well, into the box real quick. We have a bunch of bubble wrap. Boom, it looks pretty good. All right, boom, the bubble wrap is looking good. All right, let's get this out of here. But this will not be the full review. This is just a quick look at the shoe. You'll have to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the review that'll be coming very soon. All right, here we have the Jordan 1 Comfort 2s, a Rose From Harlem collaboration with the one, the only Teyana Taylor. The box starting off looks pretty good. We have a all rose box with a gold foil swoosh with thorns coming all out of it. On the sides, let's start from here. We have from the concrete grew a rose. We got that Teyana Taylor branding as well. All right, the tag reads W Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort 2 SP. This is the USA 14 because these are a woman's size 14. So men's, this is around a 12.5 if I'm not mistaken. The colorway reads Gym Red, Black, Summit White. This will be my first look ever in person. Let's get into it real quick. I'm gonna do it this way so we can see it at the same time. Ooh, what's this? We got the Atmos USA receipt. I'm not gonna show y'all that because I got my man's information on it. Before I even get into the shoe, on the top, we just have some information on the Jordan 2 Comfort, well, Jordan 1 Comfort 2s, whatever. They just have information on the build of the shoe. We have the mid-foot lockdown, flexibility, all that good stuff. You can screenshot and look at that if you want to. All right, let's move on. Boom. We got some nice roll wrapping paper. And then let me stand to the side. The quality is there, but I already see an issue. I'll explain the issue in the full review though. But it looks good. I'm a big fan of this paint. That is very nice. Oh, it's very interesting. This is not attached. It makes a nice little noise. Okay. We got the yellow laces already in there. We have an extra set of black laces, an extra set of red laces. The yellow laces have regular aglets. The red laces, though, got the metal aglets, and the black laces just have regular aglets. So it's seeming they come laced with the yellow laces, but the red laces have a little special aglet. So, does the red laces belong in there? This is the left shoe. The left shoe has the stitched in huge swoosh. We also have a Jordan flight card. This card just explains more of the detailings and built of the Air Jordan 2, Air Jordan 1 Comforts. I'm sorry. Yo, I'm like so glad I got these. Let's get into the right shoe real quick. Here, we have that rose and thorned build of the shoe. We have a stitched in swoosh with green thorns. Once again, yellow laces. This tongue has a Nike swoosh on it instead of Tay for Teyana. Looks really good. I have a few things to say, a few critiques, but we're not gonna get into that right now. But thank y'all for watching. Let me know if you like this style of video. I'm trying to show more of my personality, show more of my life in here. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. But let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is Chris Claxton. I just checked in, took y'all around with me. Now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the review on these. Peace.